Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel आणि सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरी सांज दिवं आणि आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता म्हाज्या शेजाऱ्यान जे आमकां दिलेली पडोई. सो पडोईचे वेजिटेरियन डिश करपाक ओके वेज स्टफिंग. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू पडवल PADWAL पडवल पडोई snake gourd. So the other day I showed you all how to make stuffed padwal with Goan prawns. So now today I am showing you for all the vegetarian people who wants to have this stuff and they don't eat non-veg. So this is for them and for others also like who loves veg. So for that I have taken, this is one big padwal snake gourd which I have steamed already. The other video I have already showed. I will try to connect that video to this also. And so this is one padwal already steamed with salt for 5 minutes. Then these are 3 potatoes, small potatoes, boiled and mashed. Then we need also, this is mixed vegetable I have done with my Wonder Chef. Okay, very easy to do all these things. Just put your veggies and then go round and it is all. It's like a chopper, cutter, whatever you say. Just put this like this, lock it and then go round. And you get your vegetables cut or chopped. So what I have used is 2 onions, 1 tomato, half of beetroot, then 1 carrot and 1 capsicum. So these are the vegetables which I have used. You can use any types of vegetable. Also I added 1 green chili for this to get little bit of spiciness. Okay, and that's it. These are the all vegetables which are finely chopped. And now I will saute this and add little bit of masala to this. तर हांवें हितून हांव तुमकां आतां कोंकणीन सांगता. तर हांवें एक पडोळें घेतला, ताका हांवें बॉयल करून म्हणजे स्टीम केलें, डबल बॉयलरान स्टीम केलें, हें घातलेलें उदकान आनी 5 मिनटाक लागून हांवें ताका स्टीम करून मातशें शिजयलां. मातशें सॉल्ट तेजे वयल्यान घातलें. मागीर हांवें हे 3 बटाटे घेतल्या, ताका बॉयल करून मॅश करून दवरलें आनी ही जावन आसा आमची कोथमीर, ओली कोथमीर. मागीर हांवें हितून जे हांवें हितून कातुल्ल्या भाजी तितून घातल्या 2 प्याव, 2 कांदे, 1 टामोट, 1 कॅरट, अर्दो बीटरूट यो कॅरट, 1 मिरसांग आनी 1 कमची शिमला मिर्च, मोठी मिरसांग. ओके, त्यो सगळ्यो घेतल्या, ही शिमला मिर्च. तर आतां हाका आमी सोते करया. मागीर हांव हे 1 कप आमचे कॉर्न्स आणि हे 3 क्यूब्स ऑफ चीज. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. मातशें आमचे भाजयेची डीश बरे भाशेन उलोवया. सो 2 कुलेरां धाकटुशी तेल घातला. गरम जातकूच हे सगळी जी हांवें आतां हें केल्या पळय ताका सगळेक आमी मातशी फ्राय करुया. सो आय हॅव टेकन 2 tablespoon of oil and let's saute this. We'll saute this for few minutes. Don't want to cook this much. Now we'll add little bit of salt to this. Salt to taste. And in this I will add little bit of our mashed potato. So a vegetarian, whichever filling you want, you can add. So these are the healthy veggies I have taken, like carrot, beetroot, capsicum, onion, tomatoes. Now we'll add little bit of masala to this. So 1 small teaspoon of turmeric powder, half of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Then we'll use 1 teaspoon of homemade Everest Kitchen King masala powder, which I will share you the link. All the masalas link I always share in the description box, which I make at home. Please check that. Mix this all. Some want to use Maggi cubes. You can use your Maggi cube taste maker. I don't use, but you can use. Now we'll add our sweet corns. Just wait for 5 minutes and then we'll put off the gas. So it's 5 minutes. And I'll put off the gas. Now as it is hot, I want to add my cheese in this. So it gets nicely melted. I'll not cover, I'll mix this. So it goes to all. Gas is off and the filling is ready. So now we will do the Padwal filling, that is snakegourd stuffing. Let it get cooled down a little while, or you can directly do. We'll add little bit of salt to this. And mix this nicely. And now let's start. So same way, you can take spoon, you can take this. You put this potatoes like this, mashed potatoes, and you close that hole which is there. this also a little bit coriander leaves. And now we will add this stuffing in this, okay? And then we'll same procedure what I showed in the other video. Please watch that also. And then we'll cover this. So this is keep this. I'll show you one more. Keep your hand like this and then put this inside. And then add the stuffing. It's very tasty and healthy too. So please do make this and eat this. So आता हे सगळे झाले. आता आम्ही भाजूया. भाजून very simple. सोडोवत लागना. So we'll just fry this like shallow fry all the sides and it's done. And enjoy it. You have to then give a cut. It looks like that Japanese dish sushi. So it looks like that only when you cut it after frying. So drizzle some oil. It's around 1 tablespoon of oil. Looks nice. It tastes nice because cheese is there. Now those who are health conscious don't want to add cheese, you can always not add cheese. So कोणाक cheese घालूं नाका तांकां cheese घालनाकान. आनी जे हांवें फिलींग दाखयलां न्हू तुमकां ते एटलीस्ट 2 व्हडली पडोळी तुमी घेत जाल्यार ते आख्खे फिलींग ताका पावतले. सपोज तुमचो व्हडलो घोराबो आहा, व्हडली फामील आहा आनी तुमचो व्हडलो कुटूंब आसा जाल्यार हें बेस्ट. लायक 2 व्हडली हाडात पडोळी आनी अशें तितून ते स्टफींग जें हांवें दिलां ते 2 व्हडल्या पडोळ्यांक पुरो. ओके. So what I was saying, like if your family is big, then you can get 2 big of snake gourd, and then that stuffing what I have showed you, the quantity of the stuffing is enough for that. So let's fry this now. So everything is cooked. Basically we just want to fry it all the sides and it's done. Medium flame is better. And these are my small ones. So this is our dinner today. And when you are picking it up, just see a tip for you all from us. Don't catch like this, all the stuffing will come out. So you have to open this and then catch like this. So just have to roll it all the sides so that they are fried nicely. So you can see it's already getting fried. It is steamed, so it is nicely cooked also. So hope you all will all enjoy this dish in your kitchen, and I'm grateful to my neighbor who gave me this what is that podoi from their farm, Mrs. Pawar, and she had given me two. So one I made a dish non-veg, that is it was prawn stuff, and this is veg. So now we are three. Sometimes my parents come, so then yeah, I would have to make all. But this is sufficient for us, and it is filling. Okay, it is very nice filling. So yes, it's nicely done. Now I'll put off the gas and we will serve it. So I will show you how I was telling you all when you are serving it in the plate. So here, so just take this like this, and then take this like this, and then serve. Don't catch like this. Okay, अशें दोरी नाकान ना सगळे फिलींग भायर येतले. अशें दवरात, एका मातशें चिमट्याक अडलो करात आनी अशें दवरून मागीर स्लोली काडून तुमचे प्लेटीर घालात. तुमकां टिश्यू पेपर टावलान काडूंक जाय जाल्यार तें काडात. हेल्थ कॉन्शियस आहा जाल्यार तुमी सो हे जावन आसा आमचें रेडी. ओके, See, it looks so yum. जेन्ना तुम्ही सर्व करतात तेन्ना बरी सुरी घेयात. आता गरम हा मातशें. अशें न्हिवोंक जाय. हांव तुमकां दाखयता आतां. अशें करून सर्व करून सी दिसता तुमकां. so tasty, healthy veg stuffed Padwal snake gourd. Enjoy this and do let me know how it was. देव बरें करूं तुमकां, आनी मानता की तुमकां सगल्यांक हें आवडटलें. आनी मागीर तुमी लास्ट हें करता तेन्ना तेजेर इल्लीशी चीज घालात आनी सर्व करात आनी एन्जॉय करात. Thank you so much for watching, for your comments, for your blessings. देव बरें करूं. Thank you.